Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a new presentation on a Google Slide on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, make sure that you already installed the Google Slide on your iPhone. If you are not sure the application's symbols, slide your screen, and I think I will like to show you the way, the symbols of the Google Slide. So the Google Slide will be symbolized by these yellow documents here. So make sure that you are going into the App Store and get this application on your phone, and then you just need to go click it to open it. To create the new documents, you just need to go take a look on this button features here. There will be a plus button right here, and then you just need to go click it to create the new one, and you can choose either you want to do the template or only a raw presentation. If you want to do the raw presentation, go click this part and preparing the title of your presentation. For example, link to with task, and after that you just need to go click create, and you are now have the blank documents, and you are now ready to create your presentations on a Google Slide. So that's the way how to create a new presentation on a Google Slide. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.